What's y'all name? The Slime Sisters.
The Slime Sisters. And today we are making slime. So now we gotta get a bowl. This is the first thing we have.
Yeah, and then
your spoon. We already made some right here. I put some of my beans in.
Yeah.
As you see. And we have an activator. We have a different activator.
We have blue.
So yeah. And we have pink. You can use any kind of paint. This is the paint we use. So, and you have to always use a container. This is a container.
Yeah.
So now, grab your spoon. Okay. This is what you need. Yeah. Grab your spoon. Yeah.
Hold it blue.
Okay, use all of it.
Yeah.
I think I should ask my grandma if she sent us some.
Y'all real good out here. That way y'all can do a bigger slime thing. Yeah, and then it'll be even more bigger next time. Yeah. But this is cool though. It's still cool.
First you get that. You can't just use that. Yeah. Because then when you use the thing first, it's going to make your slime stiff.
Can you make like different color slimes? Okay. Something rolling on the table.
Oh, it's my bead. Yeah. That's it.
What is that, the activator?
Yep.
First you gotta mix though. You gotta grab your spoon and mix.
Ooh, gotta get in there.
Yeah.
Get all in there.
Then next tomorrow we're gonna make croissants.
Clear slime.
Look at that slime. Slime just going.
Look at mine.
A little bit of dancing while you're mixing the slime. That's always good. Yeah. That's always good to look at dancing. Dancing cures the soul.
You're gonna add how much one more?
Yeah.
That you already have the activator. Did it? Okay. No.
We got some slime already right there.
Yeah.
It's a little stretchy and stuff like that.
Yeah. And mine is crunchy. And it's rolling everywhere.
This is our first time making it. Second time.
This is our second time making a video.
Yeah. We made noodles, now we make it. Then we gonna make croissants.
Clear slime.
And then we gonna make we gonna cook. Make it Daddy, can we cook while doing the video?
Nope.
Not right now. This is just a slime video, but yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Cooking during the video. Yeah, we'll do a cooking video.
Tomorrow.
Well, eventually.
Yeah, we'll make dinner.
Daddy gotta shoot 2 videos tonight. I gotta shoot y'all video, and then I gotta shoot me and Uncle Tay video.
Yep.
It's time for everything.
I know, I gotta get everything in.
Oh yeah.
So what type of glue are y'all using?
White
Elmer's yelling.
Yeah.
The medium.
Come on,
You
Naya.
gotta get the big kind. I'm gonna
And next we gonna do.
ask my grandmother. She's all the way in Afghanistan.
Oh, we dropped something.
It's the Amazon slime activator.
Come on, Naya.
Y'all getting it real mixed up good in there?
Yeah, I'm beating it up. I'm gonna call this ocean.
Yeah, we can call this ocean.
Call it
Underwater.
I'm calling this
The,
the ocean sea.
The sea. The sea. We can call this the sea. Or the sky. The cow.
You can go call it the sea. Oh, guys, what if I make a white slime? So I'm gonna teach you how to make a white slime. So after this one. So first thing, you have to grate your top. You can do this, or you can just pour it in there.
Yeah, we can just pour it in there. I'm gonna help you.
What's that even for?
Pour some in.
See that? See the activator?
Yep, you see the activator, y'all. Y'all see the activator?
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all trying to mix? We're going to need some more, too.
No, guys, we have to get everything off of this table just to get this.
That's it.
Yeah, they put in a lot of work to do this video for y'all, so please like it
And comment.
and comment and tell us what y'all think.
And hit the bell.
Because I think this is the most coolest slime video I ever seen.
Comment if you like it.
More activator.
Oh, that's a lot.
Look at the activator pouring into it.
We gonna have to buy some more. Look, it's making some slime in a minute. It's gonna be making some slime when we keep done it. Look.
Alright, y'all. So we gotta come with another second video. So this is the end of this video. And be sure to subscribe to the Slime Sisters. Yay!
Can we make white slime?
White slime is next. White slime is the next video. We're gonna show you how to make white slime.
Today.
Alright, y'all. Say bye. Wave, Shania. Tell the world.